Today, we're disassembling the ASUS TUF Gaming A14 for a repair guide. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Remove the 11 screws. Use the non-conductive pry tool to pry the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side first. Press the upper side of bottom case to fix. Put the bottom case down slowly. Press left and right side of bottom case to fix. Press lower side of bottom case to fix. Fasten the 11 screws. Push the iron sheet up. Disconnect the red cable side first. Disconnect the black cable side. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Push the iron sheet in. Tear off the bottom case, PCB mylar, with MBSSD rubber. Remove the screw. Remove the SSD1. Remove the D part, Touchpad 2. Remove the SSD alfoil. Tear off the SSD absorber. Paste the SSD absorber onto SSD. Put the SSD into the SSD alfoil. Paste the D part Touchpad 2 next to the SSD1 slot. Align and insert the SSD1 into the slot. Fasten the screw. Paste the bottom case, PCB mylar with MBSSD rubber. Tear off the bottom case, PCB mylar 2 with MBSSD rubber. Remove the screw. Remove the SSD2. Align and insert the SSD2 into the slot. Fasten the screw. Paste the bottom case, PCB mylar 2 with MBSSD rubber. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the battery with battery cable. Disassemble the battery cable. Assemble the battery cable to the battery. Align the screw holes to assemble the battery. Fasten the 4 screws. Disconnect 2 antenna cables. Remove the screw. Remove the WLAN card. Align and insert the WLAN card into the slot. Fasten the screw. Connect 2 antenna cables. Tear off the TP support rubber. Tear off the TP conductive tapes. Disconnect and remove the TP FFC. Remove the 3 screws. Turn over the device and lift up the LCD. Push the touchpad module from bottom to top and remove it. Assemble touchpad module and close the LCD. Turn over the device. Fasten the 3 screws. Paste the TP conductive tape. Paste the TP support rubber. Paste the TP conductive tape. Connect and paste the TP FFC. Disconnect the 7 connectors. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the hinge BKTR. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the hinge BKTL. Release the tape and EDP cable from the main board. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the main board with fans and thermal module. Tear off the tapes. Turn the main board over to the front. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the GPU fan. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the CPU fan. Assemble the GPU fan to the main board. Fasten the 2 screws. Assemble the CPU fan to the main board. Fasten the 2 screws. Turn the main board over to the back. Tear off the release paper and paste the GPU fan acetate tape. Paste the GPU fan acetate tape sponge 2P. Tear off the release paper and paste the CPU fan acetate tape. Paste the GPU fan, acetate tape, sponge P. Align the I/O port holes to assemble the main board. Fasten the 4 screws. Tidy up the EDP cable and paste the tape. Align the screw holes to assemble the hinge BKTR. Fasten the 3 screws. Align the screw holes to assemble the hinge BKTL. Fasten the 3 screws. Connect the 7 connectors. Fasten the reverse screw numbers to release the 4 screws. Remove the thermal module. Align the screw holes to assemble the thermal module. Fasten the 4 screws. If you need to replace the main board, please follow the repair flow. Tear off the MB acetate tape. If the KBB-KTRF gasket was removed with the tape, detach it. And reattach it to the keyboard module. Tear off the system I/O sponge L. Release the mylars as instructed. Then move away the speaker cable. Remove the speakers. Attach the system I/O sponge L to the keyboard module. Align the alignment pins to assemble the speakers. Route the speaker cable and cover with mylar as instructed. Attach the MB acetate tape. Remove the screw securing the left hinge. Remove the hinge cap support rubber. Remove the screw securing the right hinge. Remove the hinge cap support rubber. Turn over the system. Remove the hinge cap L. Remove the hinge cap R. Install the hinge cap L. Install the hinge cap R. Turn over the system. Secure hinge cap with the screw. Assemble the hinge cap support rubber. Secure hinge cap with the screw. Assemble the hinge cap support rubber. Open the lid to 180 degrees. Carefully turn over the system. Remove the screw securing each hinge. At the table edge, rotate the keyboard downward and detach it. Also carefully move the EDP cable away. Thread the EDP cable through the hinge hole. Align the right and left hinge holes to assemble the keyboard module to the LCD module. Lift the keyboard and lay it flat on the workspace at 180 degrees. Fasten the screw to secure the hinge. Move the EDP cable to prevent damage. Fasten the screw to secure another hinge. Lastly, carefully turn over the system and close the lid. Carefully release the foil as instructed. Tear off the Wi-Fi main antenna, then remove it. Align and apply the Wi-Fi main antenna. Attach it properly. Manage the cable into the grooves. Paste the foil back in its place. Tear off the 2 acetate cloths as instructed. Release the tapes to loosen the cable. Move the cable away from the grooves. Remove the Wi-Fi AUX antenna. Align and apply the Wi-Fi AUX antenna. Attach it properly. Manage the cable along the edge of the TP bracket and secure it with tapes. Continue managing the cable into the grooves. Attach the 2 acetate cloths as instructed. Separate the bezel from the panel on the right, top, left, and bottom sides. Start from the right side. Create enough space for your fingers to grip the bezel and separate it. Keep going to separate the bezel on the top side. Separate the bezel on the left side. Carefully pry off the bottom of the bezel. Remove the bezel from the panel. Prepare the 2 pieces of the bezel adhesive L and R. Apply the bezel adhesive L and R to the left rear bezel. Ensure it is attached properly. Apply the bezel adhesive L and R to another side. Prepare 1 piece of the bezel adhesive up. Apply the bezel adhesive up. Prepare 1 piece of the bezel adhesive down. Apply the bezel adhesive down. Remove the release papers. Align the bottom of the lid with bezel, then press to secure. Press the bezel around until it clicks into place, ensuring proper assembly and a secure fit. Pull out the 2 stretch tapes at a 30 degrees angle from the panel corners. Flip up the panel. Disconnect the EDP cable. Attach the 2 stretch tapes to the LCD cover. Connect the EDP cable connector to the panel. Tear off the release papers. Align the top edge of the LCD cover and assemble the panel. Route the EDP cable through the grooves. Disconnect the camera connector. Remove the EDP cable from the LCD cover. Use a plastic blade to slide the camera module to the left and remove it. Remove the 2 mic rubbers. Then remove the LCD IR LED sponge. Attach the 2 mic rubbers. Attach the LCD IR LED sponge. Align the positioning pins to assemble camera. Attach the EDP cable onto the LCD cover as instructed. Connect the EDP cable to the camera. Paste the cable properly. If you need to replace the LCD cover, please follow the repair flow. If you need additional help, please contact the service center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel, like the video, or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.